Vermiwash. In ancient times, farming was done using only natural fertilizers. Thus, satisfactory production was achieved and soil fertility was preserved. But in today's environment, due to the growing population and the so-called green revolution, the demand for high-yielding varieties is increasing along with chemical fertilizers. Unfortunately, there is a vicious cycle. More fertilizers, extra foliage, excess pest, strong pesticide, and weedicide, pollution of water, and finally the soil. Thus the soil becomes sterile and the yield begins to decline. We all know that earthworms eat waste materials and make beneficial compost. Earthworms gently release sweat-like fluid to keep its outer body moist. Vermiwash is the technique used to collect and use this fluid. This liquid also contains a wide variety of enzymes and amino acids secreted by the earthworm's food chain, making it an excellent source of micronutrients. Due to lack of adequate technology, farmers are producing and using Vermiwash sparingly. But now with the new system introduced by Vivekananda Kendra with the support of Agrocell, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, the production of Vermiwash is much simpler and less expensive. Another advantage is that it requires less space. Vermiwash can be produced up to 200 liters a day, which is sufficient for 5 to 20 acres of land, depending on the crops. Now, let's see how to install and commission the unit. First, prepare a 8.5 into 8.5 into 1 feet platform. Then, make a circle measuring 6 feet diameter. After that, bamboo pole should be planted around the circle. Then, hang the old fishing net all over from inside and tie it well. Also, use old tires if necessary to ensure maintenance of circular shape. Then, put one layer of brick on the bottom of the circle. Next, keep one layer of onion sacks filled with agricultural wastes along with closed plastic water bottles. Now, put a layer of dry manure like cow dung powder and agricultural waste to the height of 1 feet. Then, place 20 to 25 empty plastic bottles with lids randomly on it. Now, start the second layer by keeping onion sacks with agricultural wastes. Then, follow it up with dried dung and agricultural waste to a height of 1 feet and place the empty plastic bottles with lids. Then, continue this process till the tank is filled to the brim. Next, go on sprinkling water to keep the entire system moist. Now, introduce half kg to 1 kilogram of earthworms to the system. Then, set up drip irrigation at the top of the tank and allow the water to drip, so that we can control the flow of water suitably. Now, collect the Vermiwash from the bottom of the unit. Please ensure that it is diluted in a ratio of 1:10 before spraying or releasing it through canal. After 3 months, the earthworms will eat the organic waste and thus the tank will require topping by adding organic wastes. After 6 months, the unit can be completely dismantled. In the process, one gets 3 to 5 tons of vermicompost and 5 to 6 kilograms of quality earthworms. These worms can be reused to make fresh Vermiwash unit or to prepare vermicompost. The excess worms can be sold in the market or can be used as fodder for poultry and fish. Thus the entire cycle is complete and money coming to the farmers. Vermiwash is a liquid growth promoter, rich in enzymes and microorganisms which enriches the soil. Thus it is a waste to wealth technology. Currently, most of the farmers are involved in organic farming. But the biggest challenge for them is the lack of adequate natural inputs. But using this new technology, one can immediately switch to organic farming. Now, let us hear the experiences.
My name is N. Lakshmi, and I am from Kanyakumari. I have built a Vermi-Wash unit through the Vivekananda Kendra in my garden, and within a year, the entire ecosystem has changed. As the soil is fertile with natural input, and so the quality of greens and fruits is better. My name is S. Chellathangam, from Kanyakumari. I am watering my coconut grove twice a week with Vermi-Wash. Now, the yield has increased along with the quality, as the soil is fertile with natural input.
Thank you for watching. For more details, please contact Vivekananda Kendra-NARDEP, Kanyakumari 629702.